Hey guys, it's Jim from Import Image Racing, and today we are going to be focusing on installing this noble LED third brake light on our 2022 to present BRZ and GR86. This installation requires only a few hand tools and should only take a couple of minutes, so let's jump right in. As a quick overview, in order to install our third brake light, we're actually going to have to remove the upper wing portion from our trunk lid. It's not as bad as it sounds, so we're going to start by opening the trunk and removing our felt. The push pins can be removed with a flathead screwdriver. Now that we've got the cover removed, we're going to go ahead and unhook both of our harnesses for our third brake light and the rear camera. Then we'll push our rubber grommets through to the outside of the trunk. Now we can remove our 6 8mm bolts from underneath the trunk lid and the 4 8mm outer bolts. Now that we have the hardware removed, we're going to go ahead and remove the top portion of the wing from the trunk body. Now, it's still held on by a handful of clips, so it's going to take a little bit of force to separate that wing portion from the trunk. With the wing on the bench, we're going to go ahead and remove these two small black Phillips head screws. Once we get those out, we're going to then remove our wing risers. We can now disconnect the harness and remove our 2 third brake light mounting screws. When removing the factory light, it's wise to loosen the rear-facing camera hardware in order to get the light out from underneath the camera. Now we install the noble LED light into the wing. There is an orientation arrow to tell you which way is up and down, but if you're like me, keep in mind that the wing is upside down on the bench when installing this. Secure the light, the camera, and the risers with all the factory hardware. Lastly, don't forget to plug your harness into your light. Then we're going to reinstall the wing just like we removed it. Be sure to reinstall all factory hardware and cover and push pins. Before you're all done, always check to make sure you have proper functionality before hitting the streets. So there you have it, we're all done, ready to go. Thanks for checking out this install of the noble third brake light for the BRZ and GR86. Like always, be sure to hit that like and subscribe for when we hit 10,000 followers. We're not only giving away a set of Cosmis wheels, but also a set of Silvers coilovers. Like always, guys, we will catch you on the next one.